let us go to the second chapter. Okay, let us go to the second chapter, and this second chapter is going to talk about freedom. Okay, now what a beautiful way they have started. Let us see this. So human history provides many examples of people, communities, okay, who have been dominated, like India. England dominated us, they enslaved us. Then we had the heroic struggles. और heroic struggle क्यों कर रहे थे हम लोग सब? Because we wanted freedom. Okay, but you can say, what is this freedom? Why you can say people were sacrificing, or you can say ready to die for this freedom? Okay, so अगर आप देखोगे, the struggle for freedom represents the desire, okay, of the people to be in control of their own lives. तो मतलब freedom मतलब क्या है? When we have got control of our life in our own hands. Okay, so that is in the simple way, that is what is, you can say, called as freedom, when we have got the control of our own life, right? So that is what we call as freedom. Now, why we want control? So that we can control our destiny, we have the opportunity to express ourselves freely, right? And not just so individuals, but societies also value their independence, and they wish to protect their culture and future. तो हमारे पास क्या है? फ्रीडम अगर होगा, if we have got freedom, then what is most important in the freedom? We have control. मतलब हम हमारे चॉइस से जी सकते हैं, and when we live according to our own choices, our destinies are there, we get all the opportunities in life, right? So that we can not only preserve our culture but nurture our culture, and also you can say future would be proper. However, given the diverse interests, ambitions of the people, any form of social living requires some rules and regulation, right? So सभी लोगों को अगर freedom दे दिया, तो हमने देखा है कि people would have different, you can say, people have different understandings, people have got different needs, people have got different concepts. तो कोई आदमी जी रहा है, ओके, तो उस वो उसका जो एक्शन है, ओके, somebody's action might be hurting me. Are you understanding this? So there should be some constraints, there should be some regulations, right, imposed on the freedom of the individuals. Are you understanding? But it is recognized that such constraints may also free us from insecurity. मतलब देखो क्या ब्यूटीफुल ये कंसेप्ट है, because in society we have got some rules, some regulations, that is why we are staying freely. Example, if somebody, you can say, does steal, okay, कोई तो चोरी करता है, या कोई तो you can say murder करता है, so you have got severe punishment for this. That is why people usually avoid doing this, right? And that is why we are freely roaming in the streets, yes or no? So some restrictions, some constraints are necessary for us to enjoy the freedom. समझ रहा नहीं समझ रहा है, हाँ या ना, yes or no, right? So this constraint help us, you can say, to remove our insecurity. Then we have our own choices, we are free, and then it helps us to develop ourselves. In political theory, much of this discussion regarding the freedom has therefore focused on trying to evolve principles by which we can distinguish between socially necessary constraints and other restrictions. But you can say अभी हमको वही करना है कि कौन से constraints जो है वो necessary है, which are of them are necessary, and which of them are not necessary, right? तो वही हमको देखना है. There are also debate, you can say, possible जो है limitations on the freedom which may result from social and economic structures of the society, right? So वहां पे debate है. जो बोलता है कि पॉसिबल लिमिटेशंस ऑन द फ्रीडम में रिजल्ट क्या रिजल्ट करेगा, सोशल और इकोनॉमिक सोसाइटी. Now the start of the chapter, introduction. So they have introduced it from the autobiography of whom? The very well known Nelson Mandela, right? And what is this autobiography called? It is the Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, and there he, you can say, describes his personal struggle against the apartheid regime in South Africa, where you can say he says that he provided the resistance for the segregationist policies of the white regime. जो humiliation हुआ, hardship हुए, हमने ये सब discuss किया हुआ है पहले. उनके ऊपर police brutalities हुए, right? So all this he was resisting. This ranged from being bundled into townships, right? हमने देखा था क्या क्या नाम था ये townships का. Anybody remembers what was the name of the township? Yes, Bantustans. Very good, Parimal. Very impressed. Bantustan. Very good. Okay, and being denied easy movement, okay, about the country, denied the free choice of whom to marry, because we saw, right, blacks can marry only blacks, right, and whites can marry only white. Okay, so this was, you can say, a lot of constraints imposed due to apartheid, right, and this was all based on discrimination, and discrimination based on race. Therefore Mandela struggled against this unjust constraints, and he wanted to remove and achieve freedom. Achieve freedom. Okay, for this freedom he spent 28 years. Just imagine, 28 years. You are not even of that age, right? Nobody. Of his life in jail, often in solitary confinement. Are you understanding this? Just imagine कि एक जो youth है उसका पूरा जो life है, okay, he's giving up voluntarily pleasure of talking with his friends, right, going to the playing his favorite game, wearing the favorite clothes, listening to favorite music, celebrating festivals. ये सब उन्होंने दे दिया है, and he has just, you can say, staying up in a lockup alone in the room. और you can say आप बोल रहे हो यूपीएससी के लिए आप 2-3 साल ये सब नहीं दे सकते हो, right? तो that is why I tell you always that greater the sacrifice, greater is the achievement in life. Most of the people cannot do this sacrifice. They cannot have disciplined life. That is why they cannot achieve greatness. That is why they only dream about greatness. Most 90% से भी ज़्यादा, more than 90% would only dream, and achievers जो है, they are the action doers, they are the implementers. They, और ये कैसे करते हैं वो? डिसिप्लिन. हर एक चीज में डिसिप्लिन है. They do not fall to the senses, material world, कि मुझे क्या चाहिए अभी. I want to, you can say, watch movie because you can say relax. I want to, you can say, play. I want to go to the festivals. तो ये सारा चीज नहीं करते हैं. You have got to have control over your senses, right? So ऐसे ही आदमी ग्रेट नहीं बनता है. Not knowing when one would be released, मतलब he even did not know whether he would be released or not, because one campaign for freedom of one's people, for, you can say, freedom, Mandela paid a very high personal price. Are you understanding this? Do only great men and women fight for the great principles of freedom? What does this principle mean to me? Okay, another case. Now Gandhiji's thought of non-violence was the inspiration source for Aung San Suu Kyi, right? So now she is the leader in Myanmar. Myanmar में अभी आपने पढ़ा होगा कि just recently again there was a coup. This is pronounced as coup. Yeah. So military ने वापस वहाँ पे उसका जो power है वो ले लिया है. So this is not a democratic system, right? In democracy, who should rule? The representatives of people. Are military the representatives of the people? Yes. Can they be the representatives of the people? No. So then it becomes a authoritarian government. Authoritarian government मतलब क्या है कि whatever the government is saying, the people have to, you can say, follow that, and people don't have the, you can say, luxury, or the people don't have their say in government. That is what it is called as authoritarian government. समझ रहा है सबको? हाँ या ना? एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हो रहा है, right? So Aung San Suu Kyi was separated from her children. She was unable to visit her husband. Just imagine this, when he was dying of cancer, because she feared that if she left Myanmar, okay, to visit him in England, she would not be able to return. Aung San Suu Kyi saw her freedom. Aung San Suu Kyi saw her freedom connected to the freedom of her people. मतलब Aung San Suu Kyi किसके लिए लड़ रही है? That her people should get the freedom. That is, they should get the democratic government and not the, you can say, military rule. Her book, okay, देखो ये सब आप कोट कर सकते हो एसेज में, बुक के नाम, द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम फियर. तो उसका बहुत सही कंसेप्ट है. क्या कंसेप्ट है? देखो, नेल्सन मंडेला का कंसेप्ट क्या था फ्रीडम का? कि बाबा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए, ताकि अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है तो you are enforcing the choice on me, that where I should stay, whom I should marry. You should not enforce that. Okay, I should have the freedom. And here she is, you can say, saying that freedom is, मुझे freedom नहीं मिलता है when I live in fear. Are you understanding this? For me, real freedom is freedom from fear. Unless you can live free from fear, you cannot live in a dignified life, right? अगर मैं डर डर के जीऊंगा, so am I living a dignified life? Yes, am I living a dignified life if I am, you can say, living a fearful life? No, right? So that is why there should not be authoritarian government, there should not be a military government, right? Okay, so these deep thoughts lead us to consider their implications. Okay, so we should not be afraid of the opinion of the people, attitude of the authority, reaction of the members of our community. Okay, ridicule of our peers. हम बहुत लोग, you can say, डरते हैं, right? Yes or no? We fear, and that is why most of us would not tell others that we are doing UPSC, because we fear that what would the society say if we fail. लगता ही नहीं लगता है आपको डर? Yes. How many of you, you can say, feel that? We have to be honest. Yes or no? Most of us would be feeling like that, right? कि बाबा, let us not, you can say, tell that to the society, because we fear failure, right? Okay. So for Aung San Suu Kyi, living a dignified human life requires us to overcome such fear. To overcome such fear, right? So from these two books, Nelson Mandela, we understand the and see the power of the ideal of freedom, ideal that was at the center of our national freedom struggle also, right? Now what is freedom? तो हम अभी देखते हैं कि भैया what is, you can say, freedom. Now a simple answer is, it is absence of constraints, right? It is absence of constraints. It might be external constraints, on the individual are absent. In terms of this definition, an individual could be considered free if he or she is not subjected to external controls, coercion, and is able to make independent decisions and act in autonomous way, right? So, but absence of constraint is not the only dimension of the freedom. Freedom is all about, you can say, expanding the ability. Now let us read this. Someone in the village town district who has struggled for own freedom or the freedom of others. तो ये आप सोच सकते हो. Okay, so मतलब freedom का अभी हमने दो aspects देखे. एक aspect क्या है हमने freedom का देखा हुआ है, that is there should not be constraints. Second is we should be able to expand. Okay, the people, okay, we should be able to expand the ability so that people can express freely. When people can express freely, not only their ideas, their skills, right, their choices, then they can develop their potential and achieve optimum. Okay, अगर मैंने आपको बताया कि आप यूपीएससी कर ही नहीं सकते हो, यू कैनॉट डू इट. Okay, so most of you would not then try it. then you can never know your potential. But if I encourage you, yes, you can certainly do UPSC, right? You can certainly do UPSC, and then you also give your 110% into that. Din Raat, you are working hard, you are having discipline, you are smart worker, you are a hard worker, okay, and you are doing a lot of answer writing practice. ये सब अगर चीजें कर रहे हो, जो जो यूपीएससी क्लियर करने के लिए लग रहा है वो आप कर रहे हो, then you have got a good chance. Okay, and then even if you don't clear, even if you don't clear, but the personality or the knowledge base which you have, you take this into any sector of life. You do job, you do business, you do anything, you would go at top. You would go at top. Why you would go at top? Because आपने जो ये तपश्चर्या की हुई है, ओके, मुझे बताओ, आपके जो peers है, okay, those who are not doing UPSC, would they have done this kind of tapasharya where they are studying for 8 to 10 hours, and this requires concentration, this requires your brain power. Okay, this is just like a gym, brain का gym है ये. तो आपका brain powers देखो कैसे develop होंगे. If you have done it seriously, your brain power starts developing. The knowledge which you have, the knowledge which you have, yes, only one thing you will not have, that is self confidence. But you will have the ability to work hard. Okay, self confidence क्यों नहीं होता है? लोग जब फेलियर होता है तब सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस लो होता है, बट आपका ब्रेन पावर है, नॉलेज है, एबिलिटी टू वर्क हार्ड है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली आपका ऐसा इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस डेवलप होगा. बिकॉज किसका इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस डेवलप होता है? जो बंदा जिंदगी में फेल होता है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड फेलियर टीचेस यू सो मच. फेलियर इज द बेस्ट टीचर. फेलियर इज द बेस्ट टीचर. सो ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव, ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. समझ रहा नहीं समझ रहा आपको? हाँ या ना? Yes, so that is why everybody should have the, you can say, should not have constraints. They should be freely able to express themselves so that they can develop their potential. Freedom in this sense is the condition in which people can develop their creativity and capabilities. तो आप आपके जो creativity और capability है वो develop कर सकते हो. Both these aspects of freedom, that is absence of external constraint, that is the first aspect, and ऐसे conditions करने हैं जहां पे लोग डेवलप कर सकते हैं उनके टैलेंट. व्हाई इज यूएसए द नंबर वन कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड? व्हाई 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 इट इज नंबर वन कंट्री? मिनिमम external constraints. They believe in liberty, they believe in individualism, they believe in rationality. You do whatever you want to do. So that is why individuals make the choice. Have you seen in USA that there are arranged marriages? होते क्या वहां पे arranged marriages? People are responsible for their own choices, my friends. Second, and that is second is even bigger reason why USA is number one. I have visited USA, I have seen USA from very very close, so I can tell you that they are the best society to create the second, you can say, thing which is required for freedom. That is they develop, are you understanding this? They develop the conditions. उनके conditions ऐसे है कि each one can develop their talents, and it is for so many reasons. They believe in meritocracy, they celebrate failure, okay. इंडिया में हम क्या करते हैं? हम, you can say, जो फेलियर होता है उसको हम क्या करते हैं? हम उसके ऊपर हंसते हैं कि बाबा ये तो फेल हो गया. अरे they celebrate their failure. Why? Because this person has the courage, this person has tried something, that is why this guy has failed. बहुत लोग इंडिया में because of the fear of failure they don't try anything. You agree to this or not? You agree to this or not? Yes. So that is why USA, because of the society it is, you can say, number one country in the world. That is why people do experimentation, they will try out. Even if there is failure, there is koi gum nahi, koi gum nahi. And that is, you can say, always been my core belief that for me failure is just another outcome, just another outcome. What is important is you just learn from it and grow. and grow. Are you understand? Never get disappointed. So a free society, देखो वहां पे क्या है, फ्री सोसाइटी है, कोई आपको कास्ट के ऊपर डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर रहा है, वहां पे पूरे मेरिट के ऊपर उन्होंने फोकस किया हुआ है. सो अ फ्री सोसाइटी वुड बी वन विच enables all the members to develop their potential with minimum constraints, right? So no individual living in society can hope to enjoy total absence of constraints. जैसे हमने बताया कुछ ना कुछ तो constraints होने ही चाहिए. Some constraints are important, social constraints are justified. Okay, some are justified, some are not justified. To understand that which social constraints are necessary, okay, discussion on freedom need to look at the core relationship between the individual and the society, right? That is, we need to examine the relationship between individual and society. We could need to see which features of the society allow the individual freedom to choose, decide, okay, and which not. Okay, now यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे the concept of स्वराज और उसका अलग अलग interpretation history में भी आपको ये काम में आएगा. So what do you mean by स्वराज? स्व is rule of the self, right? So एक स्वराज का meaning क्या होता है कि rule of self, कि भाई हमको ब्रिटिश का रूल नहीं चाहिए, we would ourself rule, India would rule, you can say itself. Second is very important, rule over self, ये important है. Swaraj, that is, do you have control over yourself? Do you have control over yourself? Okay, so Swaraj in the context of the freedom struggle, okay, is a political demand and has a value at the society collective level के ऊपर भी उसको कुछ ना कुछ you can say value होगा. Okay, but Swaraj was, you can say, such important that it became the rallying cry of Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright. It is understanding of Swaraj as the rule over self that has been highlighted by Mahatma Gandhi. जो second वाला है, rule over self, has been highlighted by Mahatma Gandhi in the Swaraj. So he says that it is Swaraj when we learn to rule ourselves. Are you understand? So each person takes responsibility. देखो गांधी जी क्यों बोल रहे हैं, आज मैं तुमको फंडा बता रहा हूँ. गांधी जी क्यों गांधी जी एंड मार्क्स, बोथ मार्क्स गांधी जी, दे बिलीव इन अ स्टेटलेस सोसाइटी. ओके, अल्टीमेट उनका क्या है, कैसा होना चाहिए सोसाइटी का, स्टेटलेस. व्हाई स्टेटलेस? बिकॉज स्टेट इज मोस्टली रिक्वायर्ड टू इम्प्लीमेंट लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. स्टेट यूजेस फोर्स फॉर इट, पुलिस मिलिट्री ये सब वो यूज करता है, राइट? बट गांधी जी ऑलवेज हैड हाई होप्स ऑन पीपल. व्हाट डिड गांधी जी सेड, दैट एक स्वराज का टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि जहां पे ईच पर्सन वुड टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ वन सेल्फ and their actions would be rational actions. Their action would be such actions that it would not hurt others. And when we reach that stage, it would be a stateless society. It would be a stateless society. Have you understood the Gandhiji's concept of stateless society now? Swaraj, क्या बोल रहे हैं वो? Then when we learn, everybody in the class, yes or no? When we learn to rule ourselves, Swaraj is not just freedom but liberation. Okay, one's self-respect, self-responsibility, and capacities for self-realization. Are you understanding this? Okay, understanding the real self, okay, and its relation with the society is critical project of attaining the Swaraj. Gandhi ji believed that, sir, how long it will take, it depends upon Sai, it depends upon how good education we have, it depends upon, you can say, how quickly the youth, you can say, inculcates the values which are required for that. Do you think that today's youth are inculcating the values which would be required for this? Yes. तो मुश्किल है दोस्त, अभी तो आना. Okay, on the way. Yeah, so that is the answer side, whatever you are saying, on the way, right? So understanding the real self and its relation to the communities and society is critical to the project of attaining Swaraj. Gandhi ji believed, राइट? सो रियल सेल्फ आपको जानना है, फिर उसको देखना है कि जो स्व है, मतलब योर रियल सेल्फ, व्हाट इज इट्स रिलेशन विद द सोसाइटी, ये भी आपको जानना है. He believed in the development that follows to liberate both the individual and the collective. You can say जो आपके potentialities हैं, guided by the principle of justice. Needless to say that such a understanding is relevant to the 21st century as it was when Gandhiji wrote Hind Swaraj in 1909. Okay, sure. So what we have seen up till now: absence of constraint, minimize of the social constraint, okay, that limit our ability to make choices freely. However, this is only the aspect of freedom. To put it in the another way, freedom also has a positive dimension. Okay, so freedom also has a positive dimension. क्या है positive dimension? To be a free society, it must widen the area in which individuals, group, nations will be able to charter their own destiny. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उनको freedom मिले, okay, and be what they wish to. Freedom in this sense allows full development of the individual's creativity. यही वही चीज है. A free society मतलब हमेशा USA imagine करो, is one that enables to pursue one's interest with minimum constraints. Right? Freedom is considered to be valuable because it allows us to make choices. And always remember this. Choices का best part पता है आपको क्या है? How many of you have made UPSC decision, okay, by their own choice? By their own choice. How many of you? Simran, Parimal, Pooja, Rohan, Pranav. Okay. Shruti. No, no force by parents, boyfriend, girlfriend, friends, relatives. No force. No force. Okay. So if it is your choice, are you understanding this? If it is your choice, then you have no other choice but to work hard, because if you fail, you are responsible. You are responsible. No one else. So always in life, remember, always in life, what you should do, make your own choice. You consult. See, elders and you can say others might be having good perspectives. You consult people, okay, get their views, but in the end make your own choices, because then you are responsible for your choices. If you fail, you have nobody else to blame, and because you are in this situation, you would work super hard. You have got complete clarity. You have got complete clarity, and choices are not right or wrong. We make them, we through our work make them right or wrong. Always remember this. Always you can say remember this, that choices are not right or wrong. We are through our work have to, you can say, make them right or wrong. ये बहुत सिंपल चीज है. इसके लिए यूएसए इतना आगे है. हम एथिक्स में भी ये पढ़ेंगे. हमको यहाँ पे बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, कुछ तो नया स्टार्ट करना है. बिजनेस छोड़ो ना, आपको यूपीएससी करना है. यू हैड टू टेक परमिशन. Yes or no? You have to take permission from your elders, from your teachers, whatever that is, right? Yes, and many of the elders would have said that don't waste your time, do job. Do job. Are you understanding this? Yes or no? Most of the elders would have told you this. And then you can say automatically your choice does not remain your choice. And then you can say you are struggling in life. You are struggling in life because you want to do UPSC. Because of some people, you are not able to do UPSC, and you can say your energies are divided. Your energies are divided. You are having trouble in life. जितना energy focus होता है एक जगह पे, उतना आपका life smooth जाएगा. उतना आपका life, you can say, smooth जाएगा. That is what happens in USA. Even if they fail, people are themselves to blame. Are you understanding? यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? आप most of them, not you, but most of them, they would blame either the parents, they would blame either the relatives, they would blame either their economic situation or they would blame the system itself. Okay, and that is why they would say that I could not become a civil servant, and then when they get married, they have got kids, they would dream that their kids become IS officers. देख भाई मेरा तो ड्रीम था, मैं नहीं कर पाया, अब तुम कर लो. Yes, they would blame क्लास अच्छा नहीं मिला, सर अच्छे नहीं मिले, राइट. नीरव सर क्लास में सिर्फ टाइम पास करते गए, बोल बच्चन करते गए, और यू कैन से हमको पढ़ाया कुछ नहीं, राइट. सो दे वुड डू दिस, बट you have to understand in the end you are responsible for your own life. If you don't like Nirav sir's class, just you can say discontinue. क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा, whatever money you have paid वो waste हो जाएगा. Are you understanding this? Money you can earn anytime. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Okay, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस रखो खुद के ऊपर कि पैसा जो डाला हुआ है वो तो कभी भी कमा लोगे वापस, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Okay, but time is, you can say, important. Make your own choices. Make your own choices. Most of you join classes. Most of you join classes, right? Because your parents say that you should join this class or that class. Yes or no? Most of you do that. Yes. So always make your own, you can say, choices. Yes, you take advice of everyone, so because they are much more experienced than you, but the choice should be yours. Okay, let us go ahead. Now, what are the sources of constraints, right? So restrictions, we have got, you can say, क्या क्या restrictions हो सकते हैं. It can be by force. Okay, government laws restrict us because they have the power, they can implement the laws, and if we break the law, they have the force, like police, or you can say anything, right? But when the rule is by the colonies, right, so many a times these are imposed. The laws or the social constraints are imposed, and they are without rationality. They are without rationality. Are you understanding this? Some form of government may be inevitable. Right? Government तो होगा ही, but अगर आपका authoritarian government है या colonial government है, then the constraints are not in your favor. Yes or no? Indians का बहुत बार, you can say, what I think, okay, this might be wrong also, but what many times I feel Indians का क्या हो गया है, because they were in jail for more than 150 years under British. Okay, तो ब्रिटिश चले गए, अभी 70 years हो गए, ब्रिटिश has still left, but still हमारा एक जीन्स में ही ऐसा आ गया है कि अभी तक हम जेल में हैं. So we fear being free, we fear, you can say, taking decisions. Are you understanding? अभी भी वो colonial mindset है हमारे ऊपर कि you can say कुछ ना कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ एक्शन ले लिया जाएगा, something would happen, right? That is why democratic government is considered to be very, very important, right? Because it would make constraints which are only rational, and if the constraints which are irrational, which are being tried to make by the government, then the people have the power, okay, to protest. Constraints on freedom can also result from social inequality, right? क्या है कि कंस्ट्रेन क्या है, सोशल कंस्ट्रेन, कि भैया आप उनको इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट ही नहीं दे रहे हो, तो उनके पास चॉइसेस ही नहीं है, राइट. तो वी नीड टू रिमूव सच, यू कैन से, कंस्ट्रेंट्स आल्सो. सो लाइक नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ऑन फ्रीडम, if we are to bring about a revolution of ideas, we have first to hold up before us an ideal which will galvanize the whole system. तो अगर देखो वो क्या, कितना ब्यूटीफुल थॉट है. सुभाष चंद्र बोस क्या बोल रहे हैं, आप सब रिवॉल्यूशन की बात बोल रहे हो, क्रांति की बात बोल रहे हो आप, राइट. बट क्रांति लाने से पहले कुछ ना कुछ एक आपको होना चाहिए ना आइडियल, कि भाई ठीक है ये सिस्टम नहीं पसंद, आप नया सिस्टम लाने वाले हो, यू आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग न्यू सिस्टम, बट व्हाट इज दैट न्यू सिस्टम मेड ऑफ, व्हाट इज दैट. ओके, सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट आइडियल, यू कैन से, जो है दैट शुड बी, जो है आपका फ्रीडम. बट ये फ्रीडम को भी डिफाइन करना चाहिए आपने प्रॉपरली. जैसे वो बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे हिस्ट्री में ही हमने देखा कि we started with, you can say, Swaraj, then we went to Purna Swaraj. Yes or no? मतलब स्वराज से हम कहाँ पे चले गए? पूर्ण स्वराज पे. From dominion status to independence, right? So freedom मतलब क्या है? Okay, now you are saying independence, but there should be all-round freedom. That is freedom for the individual as well as for the society. Freedom for rich, poor, freedom for women, men, freedom for individuals of all classes. This freedom implies not only emancipation from the political bondage, सिर्फ ब्रिटिश से हमको छुटकारा नहीं चाहिए, but equal distribution of wealth होना चाहिए, कास्ट बैरियर्स निकलने चाहिए, सोशल इनइक्वालिटीज कम होने चाहिए, कम्युनलिज्म, हिंदू मुस्लिम जो ये था राइट्स वो कम होने चाहिए, हमने हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी होनी चाहिए, राइट? रिलीजियस इंटॉलरेंस से हमको फ्रीडम मिलना चाहिए. तो ये उनका कंसेप्ट था फ्रीडम का, right? Directly it can be asked in the UPSC, what is Subhash Chandra Bose concept of freedom? Why? Because it is written in the box. This is an ideal which may appear यूटोपियन. यूटोपियन मतलब क्या है? एकदम आइडियल है, जो अचीव करना बहुत मुश्किल है, जैसे गांधी जी बोल रहे स्टेटलेस सोसाइटी, राइट? बट व्हाट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ यूटोपियन थिंग्स? What is the beauty of utopian thing? That even if it is very difficult to achieve, but if we just go on that path, even if we go on that path, it gives us the direction. Yes, very good, Simran. It gives us the direction, right? Very good. Okay, नहीं तो हम opposite direction में ना चले जाए. Okay, so utopian to the hard-headed man and woman, but this ideal alone can appease the hunger of the soul. That is what you can say he is trying to tell. Now, why do we need constraints? Let us see that. Because we need constraints, because everybody's ideas are different. It would lead to chaos. Everybody's opinions are different. Everybody's ambitions are different. And there are scarce resources. So everybody wants to, you can say, have control over these resources. हमारा population ही इतना ज़्यादा है. सबसे बड़ा problem हमारा क्या है? Population. There are numerous reasons why disagreements may develop in society, which may express themselves through the open conflict. तो open conflict हो सकता है अलग अलग रीजंस की वजह से हो सकता है. जैसे छोटा छोटा रीजन, रोड पे आपने, यू कैन से, एक्सीडेंट हो गया, पार्किंग स्पेसेस के ऊपर से कॉरल हो गया, लैंड के ऊपर से कॉरल हो गया. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? सो देयर आर मेनी रीजंस फॉर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड वायलेंस, एंड दैट माइट इवन लीड टू लॉस ऑफ लाइफ, राइट? देयरफॉर एवरी सोसाइटी नीड्स mechanism to control the violence and settle the disputes. So long as we are able to respect each other's views and do not attempt to impose our views on others, we may be able to live freely with minimum constraints, right? So देखो, constraint कब minimum होंगे? उसके लिए प्री कंडीशन है. उसके लिए प्री कंडीशन है जो यूएसए और यूरोपियन, वेस्टर्न यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ने अचीव किया है कि यूजुअली पीपल देयर आर वन डिसिप्लिन्ड and rational. Disciplined and rational. Are you understanding this? They are very very disciplined. That is the beauty of this. Why Britishers could capture India? Because even their army was very disciplined. Army was very disciplined. Are you understanding this? तो ये उनका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हम नहीं, हमको क्या लगता है, we all, you can say, feel. देखो अभी वैक्सीन चल रहा है, okay, now if somebody breaks the queue, और किसी को अगर स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट से वैक्सीन मिल रहा है, तो उसको लग जाता है कि ही इज, यू कैन से, उसने कुछ तो बड़ा उखाड़ लिया है. हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यू कैन से, अगर आप, देयर इज टोल और आपने टोल नहीं भरा, ओके, इफ यू डोंट, यू कैन से, give the toll, तो you feel that you are special. तो लोगों को बस ऐसे स्पेशल लगना है जिंदगी में, और डिसिप्लिन नहीं लेना है लोगों को, राइट? सो इन फ्री सोसाइटी वी शुड बी एबल टू होल्ड आवर व्यूज, डेवलप आवर ओन रूल्स ऑफ लिविंग, but for that, what is the very important, we should respect each other's views. Do we respect those? Are you understanding this? And we should not attempt to impose our views on others, and we may be able to live freely. Yes, मेरे views मेरे हैं, but I cannot impose those on you. Those on you. I can just express my views, and if you are okay with it, I always ask you, right? Do you agree or you don't agree? If you don't agree, very well, you don't agree to it, but then you should have at least a rational reason why you don't agree to it, right? Then we can have minimum constraints. That is why Western Europe or USA has minimum constraints, because they have achieved this. Because they have achieved this. Okay, we have very very, you can say, हमारे यहाँ पे ना डिसिप्लिन है, ना रैशनैलिटी है, राइट? बट क्रिएशन ऑफ सच सोसाइटी रिक्वायर्स सम कंस्ट्रेंट्स, राइट? तो थोड़े ना थोड़े कंस्ट्रेंट्स होने ही चाहिए थे. At the very, we should be respecting the differences of views, opinions, beliefs, right? However, sometimes we think that a strong commitment to our basic beliefs requires that we must oppose all those who differ or reject our views. But क्या हो जाता है सोसाइटी में? ओके, जो लोगों के बिलीव्स है उसको अगर चैलेंज कर दिया, ओके, इफ आई से, if you say today, right, that Hindus, for example, right, do not eat beef, and now you go in the society and say that during Rig Vedic period there was sacrifice of beef cows. What would happen? क्या हो जाएगा? What would happen in the society if you go like this and say, yeah, they would get offended. It would be unacceptable, undesirable, right? Under such circumstances we need some legal and political restraints to ensure. तो इसके लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? लीगल और पॉलिटिकल रिस्ट्रेंट्स, okay, that differences may be discussed, debated without coercive imposing of the views. मतलब कोई भी मुझे force नहीं कर रहा है. Worse still, we may be confronted with attempts to bully or harass us so that we conform to their views, right? Yes or no? आपने देखा होगा ना वेस्ट बंगाल में इलेक्शंस के बाद भी जो वायलेंस हो रहा है. Yes or no? The violence which is happening even after election, and you can say some people have died, right? So that shows the sorry state of Indian society, Indian polity. It shows a very, very sorry state. It shows a very, very sorry state. And the worst part is none of the higher, you can say, official of the parties are going to be affected. जो ground level पे बेचारे poor लोग हैं, okay, poor followers, so they are going to be affected in all these things, right? So people are bullying, harassing so that everybody conforms to their wishes. So if so, we may want stronger support from the law to ensure that my freedom is protected. तो मुझे इसके लिए freedom protect करने के लिए social constraints चाहिए, समझा आपको? social constraints होंगे तो ही मेरा freedom protect हो पाएगा. The important question, however, is to identify which constraints are justifiable and which are not. Are you understanding this? Right? तो ये सबसे important debate है. Social constraints चाहिए क्या? Everybody accepts, yes. But now, which social constraints are acceptable, which are not acceptable? That is the most important thing. What sort of authority may be justifiable, okay, and which cannot be justifiable? Further, are there any areas of our life and action that should be left free of all external constraints? Now, introducing to you very, very important topic, that is liberalism. Okay, ये liberalism का concept please समझ के लो, बहुत ही important है. Sometimes we say that, you can say, his or her parents are very liberal. So what is liberal? Liberal, ये जो understanding है, it imbibes the value of tolerant, right? So political ideology liberalism is identified with tolerance as the value. Tolerance क्यों? Because you can say liberals क्या believe करते हैं? Have often defended the right of a person, that every person should have the right to express his or her opinions even if they disagree to this. मतलब liberals मतलब क्या है? They believe in tolerance. Tolerance मतलब क्यों tolerance बोला हुआ है? Because everyone has the right to express their views even if I disagree them. Liberalism is not only modern ideology that supports tolerance. Liberalism is not the only modern ideology that supports tolerance. Okay, मॉडर्न लिबरलिज्म का और एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? पहला है टॉलरेंस, और दूसरा क्या है? लिबरल्स क्या करते हैं? दे आर ऑलवेज फोकसिंग ऑन इंडिविजुअल्स. सो फॉर देम कलेक्टिव से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है? इंडिविजुअल्स. सो दैट इज व्हाई दे वुड नॉट बिलीव कि बाबा रिलीजन ने कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस डाले हैं तो उसमें बिलीव नहीं करेंगे. वो अगर कास्ट सिस्टम में ये सब में बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, इंडिविजुअल्स में बिलीव करेंगे, ह्यूमन राइट्स में बिलीव करेंगे. एवरी इंडिविजुअल इज एन एंड इन हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ, राइट? सो लिबरल्स, family, society, community have no value in themselves, but only if these are valued by individuals. अगर individuals के लिए family, society important है तो ठीक है, but नहीं तो family कोई you can say उनके ऊपर, individuals के ऊपर चीजें enforce नहीं कर सकती है, right? Example, the decision to marry someone should be taken by individual rather than the family. Liberals tend to give priority to individual liberty over the values of equality. They also tend to be suspicious of the political authority. तो liberalism में first हमने क्या देखा? Tolerance. Second हमने क्या देखा? Individuals are more important than the collective. Okay. And third हमने क्या देखता है? Political जो authority है, that should be minimum. That should be minimum. क्योंकि ज्यादा political authority अगर बढ़ गया तो कहीं ना कहीं फ्रीडम के ऊपर यू कैन से हमारा इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है, राइट? जैसे इन सोशलिज्म, व्हाट हैपेंस इन सोशलिज्म? द गवर्नमेंट पार्टिसिपेट्स और गवर्नमेंट इज द मेन प्लेयर इन द इकोनॉमिक्स, एंड देन द इंडिविजुअल फ्रीडम इज लॉस्ट. दे डू नॉट यू कैन से हैव द फ्रीडम टू स्टार्ट. दैट इज व्हाट वी फेस्ड इन द लाइसेंस राज, कोटा राज. यस और नो? Are you can say understanding what I am trying to teach you? Everybody in the class, are you with me? Please write in the chat box. समझ रहा है क्या आप लोगों को? ओके. सिमरन और बाकी के जो पॉलिटिकल साइंस वाले बच्चे होंगे उनके लिए तो ये जैकपॉट है, जैकपॉट. दिस इज अ जैकपॉट फॉर देम. यस. their concepts are getting more clearer, I guess. Okay. And Simran, Hashir, if I go wrong somewhere, please correct me, right? Because you are more authorities in these concepts. So historically, liberalism favored the free market. That is why they favor free market. That is, they favor capitalism. Okay, that is minimum role to the state. However, present day liberalism acknowledges, okay, that the state should play a role. क्या role play करना चाहिए उन्होंने? Welfare करना चाहिए. Okay, welfare करना चाहिए ताकि economic और social जो inequalities है वो you can say they should not affect. At least the basic needs जो है लोगों की वो fulfill हो जानी चाहिए, so that everybody can make you can say use of equal opportunities. इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी. इन द एंड लिबरलिज्म क्या चाहता है कि सबके पास इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज होनी चाहिए. बट नाउ इट हैज स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट बिकॉज somebody might be poor, somebody might be facing caste restrictions, that is why the government can intervene. इसको समझो एमजी नरेगा दे दिया, इसको फ्री एजुकेशन दे दिया, इसको समझो फ्री हेल्थ दे दिया, राइट? और इसके लिए हमने आर्टिकल 17 ला दिया. तो गवर्नमेंट ने इतना इंटरवीन किया ताकि सब यू कैन से एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ जाए, so that they can enjoy equal opportunities, right? Okay, so therefore they are accepting the role of state for providing you can say reduce. देखो यहाँ पे वाओ उन्होंने यही लिखा है, to reduce both social and economic inequalities, right? Now very beautiful concept which we are going to study in freedom. Okay, that is harm principle. harm principle किसने दिया हुआ है सिमरन ये principle? Who has given this principle, harm principle? Yes, आशिर. मुस्कान अटेंड कर रही है, नहीं कर रही है? Yes, मुस्कान is there or she is not there? मुस्कान is not attending. Okay. Yes, so this has been given by J.S. Mill. शारिक है क्या नहीं है? Okay. To answer this question satisfactorily कि भाई क्या लिमिट्स होने चाहिए हमारे पे, कौन से कंस्ट्रेंट्स होने चाहिए हमारे पे. Okay. So John Stuart Mill, जो G.S. Mill है, he has you can say given the concept of this concept on this essay on liberty. Liberty के ऊपर उन्होंने ये दिया हुआ है, right? So what is this concept? Political theory. It is called as the harm principle. It is called as the harm principle. Okay, what is this harm principle? Let us quote his statement and try to explain it. The sole end for which the mankind is warranted individually or collectively in interfering with liberty of action of any of their number is self protection. तो भाई ये क्या बोल रहा है कि in the end ये जो सारा हमने रूल्स लॉज रेगुलेशंस कुछ भी हम लाते हैं सोसाइटी में, तो उसका अल्टीमेट पर्पस क्या है भैया? सेल्फ प्रोटेक्शन. सेल्फ प्रोटेक्शन, that the only purpose for which the power can rightfully exercised over any number of civilized community against its will is to prevent the harm to others. वो क्या बोल रहा है कि सारे जो आपने कंस्ट्रेंट्स लेके आए हो, आप स्टेट बनाए हो, स्टेट को आपने पावर दिया है, एंड क्या पावर दिया है? ओनली स्टेट कैन यूज इट्स, यू कैन से स्टेट कैन has the legitimacy to use violence, right? ये सब आपने दिया हुआ है, तो इन द एंड ये क्यों दिया हुआ है? सो ये एक ही कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए दिया हुआ है, दैट इज यू प्रिवेंट द हार्म टू अदर्स. यू प्रिवेंट द हार्म टू अदर्स मतलब जेएस मिल क्या करने वाला है? सारे एक्शन को यू कैन से डिवाइड करने वाला है. एक्शन को सेल्फ रिगार्डिंग एक्शन एक होगा, सेल्फ रिगार्डिंग एक्शन, एंड अदर रिगार्डिंग एक्शन होता है. सेल्फ रिगार्डिंग एक्शन मतलब उसके जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस है वो सोसाइटी पे नहीं होते हैं, और अदर रिगार्डिंग उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस सोसाइटी पे होंगे. तो ये वाले जो एक्शंस है आपके, इनको हमको क्या करना है? कंस्ट्रेंट्स डालने हैं इसके ऊपर. और कैसे कंस्ट्रेंट्स डालने हैं? ही सेज वेरी वेरी नाइसली. ओके, दो टाइप के कंस्ट्रेंट्स होंगे. एक, अगर माइनर आप कुछ गलती कर रहे हो तो देयर शुड बी सोशल कंस्ट्रेंट्स ऑन दैट. सोशल कंस्ट्रेंट्स, राइट? सोशल कंस्ट्रेंट मतलब सोसाइटी ने ही आपको ये कर देना चाहिए, मतलब एक डिस्करेज करना चाहिए, ऐसा मत करो. और अगर आप मेजर कर रहे हो, जैसे किसी का खून ही कर लिया, किसी का कुछ चोरी ही कर लिया, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? तो उसके ऊपर क्या होना चाहिए? डायरेक्टली लॉ होना चाहिए, फोर्स ऑफ लॉ होना चाहिए. ओके, और आपको पनिशमेंट भी मेजर मिलनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज द हार्म प्रिंसिपल. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? एवरीबॉडी इन द क्लास, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? हाँ या ना? तो देखो, ही डिस्टिंग्विशेस, क्या करता है मिल? ही डिस्टिंग्विशेस बिटवीन द सेल्फ रिगार्डिंग एक्शंस. ओके, that is actions that have the consequences only for the individual actor and nobody else, right? And other regarding actions, that is actions which also have consequences for others. He argues that with respect to the actions or choices that affect only oneself, self regarding actions, the state, that is, or any other authority has no business to interfere, because it is my life, my business, that's my business. So मैं क्या खाना खा रहा हूँ, what is the food I am having, what is the clothes I am wearing, right? What is, say for example, what is the language I use as my mother tongue, right? So it is my business. I'll do as I like, I'll do as I like. In contrast, with respect to the actions that have consequences for others, which might cause harm to others, right? There is a case for some external interference. After all, your actions cause me harm, then surely I must be saved from such harm by the external authority. In this case, it is the state which can constrain a person from acting in the way that causes harm to us. Concept clear? Yes or no? Everybody in the class. देखो उसने आगे क्या बताया. वो बोलता है फ्रीडम इज द कोर फॉर एनी ह्यूमन सोसाइटी. इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डिग्निफाइड ह्यूमन लाइफ. ये कीवर्ड है, ये कीवर्ड है. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डिग्निफाइड ह्यूमन लाइफ. इट शुड ओनली बी कंस्ट्रेन्ड इन स्पेशल सर्कमस्टांसेस. द हार्म कॉज्ड मस्ट बी सीरियस, राइट? फॉर माइनर, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, देयर शुड ओनली बी सोशल डिसअप्रूवल, नॉट द फोर्स ऑफ लॉ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माइनर का एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है. इफ यू आर प्लेइंग music, you can say loudly in your society, then it can be solved through the social disapproval. अगर आपका ये म्यूजिक लाउडली बज रहा है आपके सोसाइटी में और उसके लिए आपके अगेंस्ट एक केस हो गया, पुलिस ने यू कैन से आपके अगेंस्ट केस किया, सो इज इट जस्टिफाइबल? आपको लगेगा कि आप फिर जी पाओगे नॉर्मली? यस, इज इट जस्टिफाइबल, राइट? So no, it should not involve the police. They should indicate their disapproval, the society ने बोलना चाहिए, right? That you can say आप ये जोर से गाना बजा रहे हो, इसके लिए inconvenience हो रहा है, right? And you can say क्या कर सकते हैं वो लोग? They refuse to greet the person who plays, you can say, this loudly music. The harm that you can say causes is that preventing those in other apartments from talking, sleeping, listening, right? Listening to their own music. This is small. So it is not fit for the legal punishment. Are you understanding? It is not fit for the legal punishment. Okay. So serious harm जहां पे भी होता है, okay, so then आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, right? So that is what you have to ये पढ़ो आप. चाइना में लोगों को बोला था कि सबने माओ सूट्स पहनना है. माओ सूट्स. Why? We want to express equality. Do you feel that this constraint is necessary? देखो आप, are these restrictions necessary or not? Then fatwa, सानिया मिर्जा ने जो कपड़े पहने थे टेनिस खेलते हो, तो एक मुस्लिम ने बोला, जो क्लेरिक था, कि this is not the, you can say, described for women. तो भी क्या टेनिस, you can say, क्या पहन के खेलेगी टेनिस? साड़ी पहन के टेनिस खेलेंगे वो, या फिर you can say what you can say सलवार और कुर्ता पहन के वो करेगी क्या? What is expected, right? So then every cricketer in test match has to wear white dress. Is it justifiable? सोचो आप, everyone is, you can say, want to wear school uniform, right? So is it justifiable? तो एक बार ये पढ़ो और सोचो. Okay, people should be ready to tolerate different ways of life, different point of view, then only we'll be able to survive. But such tolerance need not be extended to the views and actions which may put people in danger or foment hatred, right? तो ये important है, right? कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है कि अगर कोई hate कर spread करने लगता है, right? So hate campaigns cause serious harm to the freedom of others. That is why it is not self regarding action, it is others regarding action. Okay. And then you can say constraints can be imposed on it, but we have to make sure that constraint imposed are not so severe that it destroys the freedom itself. For example, we must not look for life imprisonment for the, you can say, people who have carried out the hate campaign, right? So ऐसे you can say reasonable restrictions होने चाहिए. Reasonable restrictions. The कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिस्कशन, देखो इसने बोला, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में इसको क्या बोला हुआ है? सो जो ये ऊपर इसने पॉइंट बोला हुआ है कि उसके ऊपर जो है वो प्रॉपरली आपने कर्टेलमेंट डालनी चाहिए. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज रीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. द रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, से फॉर एग्जांपल, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन गिव्स यू फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, बट इट इज नॉट एन एब्सोल्यूट राइट. एब्सोल्यूट राइट नहीं है वो. इट हैज गॉट रीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. Since then it would impinge on the general condition of freedom in society, right? So that is there. Everybody understanding up till now? Yes or no? Everybody in the class? Yes. Okay, great. Now negative and positive liberty क्या है? Okay, so we'll just take 2 minutes break and then we would, you can say, cover this negative and positive liberty. 2 minutes break. Yeah, anybody wants to say something? Your mic is on. Okay, let us start. So now the concept of negative and positive liberty, right? So we have got two dimensions of freedom, right? So first is external नहीं होने चाहिए, plus opportunities ऐसे create करो कि सब खुद को express कर पाए, right? So in political theory, this have been called as negative and positive liberty. तो पहला जो है कि constraint नहीं होने चाहिए, that is negative liberty. ऐसा आप create करो, आपका जो you can say you create such a basically society, right, that you are able to expand the opportunities to express oneself. That is positive. So negative जो liberty है, it seeks to define and defend an area, okay, in which the individuals would be you can say जो individual would be inviolable, in which you can say he or she would do or become, मतलब उनको जो करना है कर सकते हैं वो, right? They wish to do, they want to become this area. This is an area in which no external authority can interfere, right? It is the minimum area that is, you can say, sacred. तो minimum area है जहाँ पे कोई भी interfere नहीं करेगा, कुछ नहीं करेगा, right? This existence of minimum area of non-interference is the recognition that human nature and human dignity, okay, need an area where people can act unobstructed by others. How big should be this area? That is the matter of discussion, debate, right? And we'll continue to, you can say, always have the debate, since the bigger the area of non-interference, the more is the freedom. We all need to recognize that negative liberty tradition argues that inviolable area of non-interference, मतलब वहां पे किसने भी interfere नहीं करना है, okay, so that is there. If it is small, then the human dignity is going to get compromised, right? We may here ask the obvious question: is the choice of what clothes to wear, right? Or you can say playing, मतलब ये सब चीजें जो है, तो यहाँ पे फ्रीडम होना चाहिए, okay? Then you cannot be interfere with external authority. Yeah. So no. So सो चॉइस, यू कैन से, जो आपको सबको चॉइस है, बेसिकली चॉइस होना चाहिए, एक्सटर्नल अथॉरिटी ने नहीं, यू कैन से इंटरफेयर करना चाहिए बाय रिलीजन, बाय स्टेट रिलीजियस अथॉरिटी, यू कैन से, राइट? नेगेटिव लिबर्टी arguments are in response to the question over what area I am the master. It is concerning with explaining the area of freedom from, right? इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी क्या है? तो पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी मतलब स्टेट को कुछ ना कुछ एक्शन लेना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव में क्या है? स्टेट इज नॉट टेकिंग द एक्शन, स्टेट इज गोइंग जस्ट ऑन द बैक फुट एंड लेटिंग यू डू वॉट एवर यू वांट टू डू. यहाँ पे स्टेट को कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ता है, राइट? सो पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी आर कंसर्न विद एक्सप्लेनिंग द आइडिया ऑफ फ्रीडम टू, ओके? सो मतलब इधर डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा स्टेट को कि भाई क्या क्या फ्रीडम है आपको, राइट? सो दे आर इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द आंसर हु गवर्न्स मी, to which the ideal answer is I govern myself. Positive liberty discussions have long tradition, have been traced to Rousseau, Hegel, Marx, Aurobindo, and also to those who draw their inspiration from these thinkers. It is concerned with looking at the conditions and nature of the relationship between individual and society and improving these conditions, right? तो ये कुछ ना कुछ एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेगेटिव में क्या कंसेप्ट है आपको समझना है? डोंट डू एनीथिंग, don't do anything, but just don't interfere in whatever the people are doing. यहाँ पे आपको positive conditions create करने पड़ेंगे so that there are fewer constraints, like you can say caste system निकालना पड़ेगा, लोगों को हेल्थ के फैसिलिटीज देने पड़ेंगे, तो ही वो यू कैन से अच्छे से then only they would be able to perform well in their tasks. They would have been given nutrition, education, right? द इंडिविजुअल इज लाइक अ फ्लावर दैट ब्लॉसम्स, राइट? आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते हो कि भाई आपने एक प्लांट को फ्रीडम दे दिया, उसको जो करना है करो, बट अगर वो प्लांट के पास अच्छा सॉइल नहीं होगा, मॉइस्चर नहीं होगा, न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं होंगे, राइट? इफ द सन इज नॉट जेंटल, then you can say how that is going to grow. Have you understood what is the difference? Yes, have you understood what is the difference? Everybody in the class, the individual is to develop his or her capability, must be able to benefit of the enabling positive conditions in material, political and social domains. तो क्या होने चाहिए? Enabling positive conditions should be there. That is, the person must not be constrained by poverty, unemployment. They should have adequate material resources to pursue what they want. Right? हमने freedom दे दिया आपको. Right? So negative इसमें क्या होगा? Liberty में everybody, यूपीएससी का हमने एग्जाम क्रिएट कर दिया, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू इंटरफियर, यू जस्ट कॉम्पीट, whoever is going to, you can say, whoever is going to score the maximum marks would clear. This is negative liberty, right? Or negative freedom. But you can say, you have to understand that SC, ST, OBC people, right, they have been, you can say, socially discriminated, economically they are weaker. Okay, so that is why some enabling conditions have to be created for them, so that they can compete on the, you can say, equal footing. आप देखो, देखो रिजर्वेशंस का one of the you can say statements which justify reservation, according to me, right, according to me, ये according to me है, if reservations were not needed, if reservations were, you can say, not needed, then एससी जो कैटेगरी के बच्चे हैं, ओके, उनका कट ऑफ, उनका कट ऑफ, इज इट इक्वल टू जनरल कैटेगरी? इज इट इक्वल टू जनरल कैटेगरी? इज इट इक्वल टू जनरल कैटेगरी? नो. व्हाई? व्हाई? व्हाई दिस इज सो? because somewhere because somewhere, right, they have not got the, you can say, upbringing or whatever that might be, which a general candidate has got. समझ रहा है? नहीं समझ रहा है? अगर दोनों का कट ऑफ, मेरा मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है ये, इट माइट बी रॉन्ग, अगर ये दोनों का कट ऑफ, यू कैन से, इक्वल फुटिंग पे आ रहा है, इक्वल फुटिंग पे कल आ रहा है, okay, that means that both have got, you can say, similar level of socialization, similar level of facilities. समझ रहा है? नहीं समझ रहा है? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? यस और नो? राइट? so that is what we have to understand, that is, the person must not be constrained by poverty, unemployment. They must also have the opportunity to participate in the decision making process, right? Above all, to develop their mind and intellect, individuals must have the access to education and other associated opportunity. Positive liberty recognizes that one can be free only in society, right, and hence tries to make that society such that it enables the development of individuals. तो ये enable करता है development by doing something, so it inculcates action, whereas negative क्या करता है? एक एरिया डिफाइन कर देता है और वहां पे नॉन इंटरफेरेंस करता है, right? So and not with the condition in the society, right? As such, of course, negative liberty would like to expand this minimum area, okay, as much as possible, keeping in mind, however, the stability of society generally, right, they both go in hand in hand, support each other for the stability. कुछ ना कुछ एरियाज में नेगेटिव लिबर्टी हमको रहता है और कुछ ना कुछ एरियाज में हमको पॉजिटिव लिबर्टी रहेगा. Now the last topic of this is freedom of expression. Everybody understood this up till now? Every point you have understood what is this negative and positive? Yes or no? Everybody in the class? Everybody? Okay, just you can say, let me have water, then we can have this freedom of expression. Now, freedom of expression. One of the issues that is being considered to belong to minimum area, of non-interference is the freedom of expression, not experience, expression. J.S. Mill set out good reason why freedom of expression should not be restricted, right? So क्यों freedom of expression जो है उसके ऊपर कोई restrictions नहीं चाहिए. देखो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, आपको बहुत बार क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, ऐसे आएगा कि हमने ये क्या करना चाहिए, बैन करने चाहिए क्या बुक्स, प्लीज सेंसरशिप के ऊपर आपको क्या लगता है क्या होना चाहिए. तो ये इधर ही आपको एनसीईआरटी में आंसर मिल रहा है, आपके कंसेप्ट यहीं पे क्लियर हो रहे हैं कि फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो एट वेरियस टाइम्स हमने डिमांड सुने हैं कि बैन करो बुक्स को, प्लेस को, एकेडमिक आर्टिकल्स को, रिसर्च जर्नल्स को. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, राइट? सो our discussion so far sees that freedom is making choices. Freedom क्या है? What is freedom? Freedom gives you the freedom to make choice. वो सबसे बड़ा चीज है ना. Okay, where a distinction is made between positive and negative liberty. Here we recognize the need for justifiable constraint. Constraint होने चाहिए, but they should be justifiable. मतलब reasonable होने चाहिए, right? बट दिस हैव टू बी सपोर्टेड बाय प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर्स. यस, मतलब ऐसे ही कभी भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन मत लगाओ, प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर्स होने चाहिए. जैसे हमने रूल ऑफ लॉ लाया है, दैट इज अ प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर. लॉ के हिसाब से ही आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, राइट? दैट इज व्हाई रूल ऑफ लॉ, व्हाई इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल ऑफ लॉ. अदरवाइज व्हाट वुड हैपन इफ देयर इज नो रूल ऑफ लॉ, कि बाबा पुलिस ने आपको पकड़ा और आपको एनकाउंटर में मार दिया. नहीं, आपको पुलिस का काम क्या है? पुलिस इज एग्जीक्यूटिव, उसको काम क्या है? उसको आपको पकड़ना है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? एग्जीक्यूटिव का काम क्या है? उसको पकड़ना है. और कहां पे भेजना है? जुडिशरी. जुडिशरी डिसाइड करेगा वेदर यू आर गिल्टी, नॉट गिल्टी, आपको क्या पनिशमेंट मिलना चाहिए. तो ये प्रॉपर एक प्रोसीजर एस्टेब्लिश होना चाहिए, राइट? एंड देयर यू कैन सी इट सपोर्टेड बाय प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर्स एंड मॉरल आर्ग्यूमेंट. सो रैशनली, वैल्यू वाइज सब प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, राइट? तो ही वो कंस्ट्रेंट्स सही है. फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन कंस्ट्रेंट मतलब देखो ना, सबसे बड़ा आज जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा कंस्ट्रेंट क्या है? What is the biggest constraint? That you don't have the choice even to live. Somebody has decided, that is the state has decided that you cannot live. You cannot live. Are you understanding this? ये सबसे बड़ा constraint है. Don't you agree? Yes or no? So now, can this choice be made by the executive? No. Then executive जो हमारा separation of powers है, that is judiciary, लेजिस्लेचर और एग्जीक्यूटिव, अगर एग्जीक्यूटिव को ही पावर दे दिया पनिशमेंट का तो एब्सोल्यूट पावर हो जाएगा. एंड व्हाट डज द लॉर्ड एक्टन से? पावर करप्ट्स, एब्सोल्यूट पावर करप्ट्स, एब्सोल्युटली. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव गॉट द, यू कैन से, theory of separation of powers, that is judiciary, legislative and executive, so that everybody is in control of each other. Are you understanding this? Therefore जो भी है constraints वो justifiable होने चाहिए, proper moral arguments होने चाहिए, procedures उसमें होने चाहिए. फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इज अ फंडामेंटल वैल्यू. क्यों फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एक फंडामेंटल वैल्यू है? क्योंकि यू कैन से सोसाइटी मस्ट बी विलिंग टू बेयर सम इनकन्वीनियंस. यस, फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन में क्या होगा? लोगों को इनकन्वीनियंस होगा, लोगों को इनकन्वीनियंस होगा. अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूं, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग, मैं अगर आपको बोलता हूं कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से आपके जो बिलीव्स है इन गॉड, और आपके जो बिलीव्स है जो आपको बहुत डियर है, उसको मैं अगर उसको अपोज करता हूं, इफ आई अपोज दोज बिलीव्स, you can say it would create inconvenience to you. Are you understanding? आप उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहोगे, इसके लिए आप क्या करोगे? आप मुझे बैन कर दोगे. आप मुझे क्या कर दोगे? बैन कर दोगे, आप मुझे जेल कर दोगे, राइट? बट इसमें वॉल्टेयर का ये स्टेटमेंट हमेशा आपको कोट करना है, आई डिसअप्रूव ऑफ व्हाट यू से, राइट? तो वॉल्टेयर क्या बोलता है कि आप जो बोल रहे हो, आई मे डिसअप्रूव दैट, क्योंकि वो मुझे नहीं पट रहा है. आई मे डिसअप्रूव व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, बट आई विल डिफेंड टू डेथ योर राइट टू से इट. समझा नहीं समझा है, राइट? तो ये सेंटेंस हमेशा आपको कोट करने को आना चाहिए इन फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. आई मे डिसअप्रूव ऑफ व्हाट यू से, बट आई वुड डिफेंड टू डेथ योर राइट टू से इट. क्यों? क्योंकि यू कैन से क्यों, वो आगे आपको समझेगा. देखो आगे देखो, दीपा मेहता, ओके, शी वांटेड टू मेक अ मूवी on widows in Varanasi, right? So there were strong protests from the section. क्यों? And you can say उसको नहीं बनाने दिया मूवी वाराणसी में. Why? Because वो बोल रहे थे इंडिया को बैड लाइट में दिखेगा इंडिया, and you are only doing this to cater the foreign audiences. Are you understanding? हमारा जो वाराणसी इतना पुराना टाउन है उसको you can say bad name आ जाएगा. Similar arguments were you can say used when you can say book रामायण retold. Okay, इसको बैन कर दिया. Satanic versus सलमान रश्दी इसको बैन कर दिया. Are you understanding this? The film The Last Temptation of the Christ was banned. मी नथुराम बोलतो है ये जो मूवी है इसको बैन कर दिया आफ्टर द प्रोटेस्ट, राइट? सो बैनिंग, ये देखो यहाँ पे बहुत ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन किया है कि आपने जो बैन किया हुआ है ना, फर्स्ट इट गोज अगेंस्ट द वॉल्टर्स प्रिंसिपल दैट see if whatever is shown in the books, whatever is the written in the books, whatever is shown in the movies, if you don't agree, are you understanding this? Okay, don't watch movie, don't watch that movie. Okay, that is your choice, that is your choice, yes or no? And if you don't agree, you watch and communicate, you write a book, right? Or you make a movie and communicate what is your point of view. This guy had a choice to write his book, you have a choice to write your book. Are you understanding? समझ रहा है फंडा? समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा है? मैं स्लो क्यों जा रहा हूं? क्योंकि ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अच्छे से सीप इन करना चाहिए, ये सब चीजें बहुत 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 ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? बट व्हेन यू बैन व्हाट हैज हैपेंड? शॉर्ट टर्म सोल्यूशन है, शॉर्ट टर्म सोल्यूशन है. क्यों शॉर्ट टर्म सोल्यूशन है? आपने क्यों बैन किया? किसी ने तो पद्मावत मूवी रिलीज भी नहीं होने दिया. ओके, रिलीज भी नहीं होने दिया. क्यों? फॉर सम रीजंस, राइट? नाउ किसी ने तो पद्मावत मूवी ओके रिलीज भी नहीं होने दिया. चलो रिलीज होने के बाद इफ यू थिंक दैट समथिंग हैज बीन शोन रॉन्ग फॉर राजपूत्स, ओके, फर्स्ट you don't watch the movie, second you make another movie, or you can say in press conference or whatever, tell what is wrong in that and tell your view. Still it is your choice. But most important, India, why I say India is backward, because watching Padmavat, people are not acting rationally. What are they doing? They are creating violence. Is this a, you can say, आप मुझे बताओ, is this a civilized polity? Right? Rationality से इसको रिएक्ट करना चाहिए. आप आपके पॉइंट्स आगे लेके आओ, आप आपके हिसाब से मूवी आगे लेके आओ. You show to the world that how this is wrong. Are you understanding this? समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा है? Yes or no? Okay. But how do? We do it violence. Right? We do it violence, and then politics comes into this, that Rajputs would be unhappy. अरे राजपूत, रियल राजपूत को पूछो, जो राजपूत होंगे, they would be more than happy to go and see Deepika Padukone. Yes or no? So you can say, but Rajputs would be unhappy. So politics would be played on this, right? And then they would ban this in Rajasthan. But you have to understand, banning is a short-term solution. It might meet the immediate demand, but what about the long-term prospects? The freedom in the society is caused harm, because when you ban it for the first time, it becomes a habit. Today you might have banned which is something wrong. Tomorrow when politicians get this power, they would ban what is showing the reality. They would ban, you can say, what the society needs to understand to develop rational attitude. They would ban, you can say, which is good for the society. Then this encourages the censorship culture. Have you understood this? Hi Anna, yes or no? But then we should not say that, you can say, never ban. ये भी हमको नहीं बोलना never ban. We have censorship in the films, but it is not similar. Right? Why it is not similar? देखो यहाँ पे मजा आएगा आपको समझने के लिए. Because censorship only bans a portion of the movie, not the whole movie. The question is what is often debated. Therefore, when should one ban? When should one not ban? Should one never ban? Just for interest, in England, anyone who is employed to work in the royal household is constrained by contract, right? That, you can say, जो भी अंदर रॉयल हाउस होल्ड में काम कर रहा है, दे वुड नेवर बी एबल टू गिव इंटरव्यू और रिवील व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इनसाइड द रॉयल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ, you can say, freedom of expression, is this justifiable? I would say it is justifiable. Why it is justifiable? Can anybody, can anybody just tell me, is it justifiable? Yes or no? And if yes, why? If no, why? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me? You can unmute. You can unmute. Yes, very good, Sai. Yes, excellent. Nobody has forced you. Nobody has forced you to work there in royal family, right? It was your choice. And before you made the choice, the terms and conditions were clear. The terms and conditions were clear. This is the one thing. Are you understanding? The second thing, it is their personal life. They don't want to make it public. Are you understanding this? Everybody has the right to privacy. Everybody has the right in that private sphere. Yes or no? अभी आप लोग तो मेरे प्राइवेट स्पीयर में आ गए हो, मैं आपको मेरे घर से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, राइट? बट वुड यू लाइक समबडी टू कम टू योर प्राइवेट स्पीयर एंड लिसन व्हाट डू यू से, राइट? हम घर पे होते हैं. यस, whenever we are at home, we might be saying any, you can say, thing, मतलब which would be irrational. हम कुछ भी बोलेंगे. ऐसे और नो, we are with the family, we are completely informal. But would you like that others whom you don't know, they peek into your, you can say, into your informal conversations? Would you like that? Yes, would you like that? They would not like that, right? Yes. So that is the concept, that is the concept which you have to understand. समझ रहे हैं आपको? ओके, यही कंसेप्ट है जो आपको, यू कैन से, सिंपल आपको, यू कैन से, समझना चाहिए. ओके, सो constraints of different kinds thus exists, and we are able to live in different situations. While reflecting on such situations, we need to realize that when constraints are backed by organized social, religious, cultural authority, or by the might of the state, they may restrict our freedom in the ways that are difficult to fight against. However, if we willingly or for the sake of pursuing our goals, ambitions, accept certain restrictions, our freedom is not similarly, you can say, limited. So if you can say understand that you can say constraints to यहाँ पे होंगे ही. Okay, we need to be realized that you can say constraints which are backed by religion, culture, authority, might of the state, they might restrict our freedom. तो वो restrict कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वहां पे rationality हमको पता नहीं है या नहीं है. Okay, okay. So however, if we willingly or for the sake of pursuing our goals, ambitions, we accept certain restrictions, our freedom is not similarly, you can say, limited. In any case, if we are not coerced into accepting the conditions, then we cannot claim that our freedom has been curtailed. तो हमको किसी ने बोला नहीं था यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करो, काम करो, तो आप नहीं बोल सकते हो कि भाई आपका जो फ्रीडम है वो कर्टेल हुआ है. इसीलिए when you go to the school, it was your choice because school uniform पहले से था, right? When you go to a company to work, you cannot go there and say that I will come in a dhoti, right? वो कंपनी का कुछ ना कुछ कल्चर होगा. And it is not your private sphere, it is a professional sphere, it is a public sphere. Are you understanding the difference? हाँ या ना, समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा आपको, right? So they can impose certain rules and regulations there. They can impose certain rules and regulations there. I hope you have this clarity. John Stuart Mill, okay, a political thinker and an activist in the 19th century, offered a passionate defense of freedom of expression, freedom of thought, इन इज बुक लिबर्टी, राइट? तो बुक को आप कोट कर सकते हो ऑन लिबर्टी. पॉलिटिकल साइंस के बच्चों को तो ये सब गोल्ड ऑफ, यू कैन से, गोल्ड डस्ट थे एकदम. ही ऑफर्ड 4 reasons, very beautiful 4 reasons why freedom of expression, okay, even if somebody is saying something which is false or misleading, still why that person should have freedom of expression. आपको पता है वो झूठ बोल रहा है तो उसको बैन मत करो. आपको पता है वो समथिंग इरैशनल बोल रहा है तो उसको बैन मत करो. व्हाई? फर्स्ट, नो आइडिया इज कंप्लीटली फॉल्स. नो आइडिया इज कंप्लीटली फॉल्स. इट माइट हैव सम एलिमेंट ऑफ ट्रुथ. If we ban the false ideas, we would lose that element of truth which it contains. तो ये पहला रीजन दिया है. दूसरा रीजन क्या बोला है? This is related to the second point. Truth does not emerge by itself. Truth खुद से बाहर आता है क्या? Yes, truth खुद से बाहर आता है क्या? नहीं आता है. It is only when I conflict and I have opposing view, then the truth is going to emerge. Like you can say, somebody would say that India handled COVID very, very nicely. Okay, when I oppose this, come up with the points how India has not, you can say, handled it very, very properly, then the real truth would come, because this would show only the picture where India has handled it nicely. When I oppose this and show how India is not, you can say, nicely, then the real picture comes in front of you. Are you uh, do you understand this? Do you accept this, right? Ideas that seem to be wrong today, देखो, ideas that seem to be wrong today may have been, you can say, very valuable in the emergence of what we consider right kind of ideas. तो आपको लग रहा था स्लेवरी, आप जाओ वो सोसाइटी में, आपको लगता होगा स्लेवरी जो है, ओके, वो completely right है. But today, when people talked about against slavery, yes or no, today slavery is considered not right. So somebody would have conflicted it, right? ऐसे ही truth बाहर आएगा. Thirdly, this conflict of ideas is valuable not just in the past, but in the continuing value. It has a continuing value for all times. Truth always runs the risk of being reduced to an unthinkable cliche. It is only when we expose it to the opposing views that we can be sure that this idea is trustworthy. तो अगर आपका truth सही में truth है, right? तो करने दो लोगों को oppose करने दो. तो अगर ये सही truth होगा, तो in spite of opposing, still this would win, right? Finally, we cannot be sure that what we consider truth is actually true. Very often ideas that were considered false at the point by the entire society, okay, were suppressed, turned out to be true later. Jaise earth is flat or earth is in the center of universe. A society that completely suppresses all the ideas that are not acceptable today runs the danger, India ke sath yahi hua, runs the danger of losing the benefits of what might turn out to be very valuable knowledge. Turns out to be very valuable knowledge, right? So that is why, देखो ये कब, जॉन स्टुअर्ट मिल 19th सेंचुरी में ये सब चीजें फंडे बताए हुए. 19th सेंचुरी में, वी आर इन 21st सेंचुरी, स्टिल इंडिया इज, यू कैन से, नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग दिस फंडेस. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? समझ रहा है आपको? नहीं समझ रहा है? मतलब देखो कि सोसाइटी हमारी कितनी, यू कैन से, उसको आगे जाना है. एंड द होप इज द यूथ. होप इज द यूथ. व्हाई आई, you can say, love to interact. Okay, I am from a business family, so I always had a choice to go to a business or take education. But one of the, you can say, inspirations of taking education is I can interact with the youth. And when this kind of debate and discussion happens, automatically the youth is going to become much mature of our country, right? And you can say today we are, you can say, 25 30 people. If each one of us influences one more, automatically we reach 50 people, that would reach 100 people, and this is a chain reaction, right? Yes or no? So that is the power of education. We begin by saying that freedom is absence of external things. Then we also saw what is positive freedom. We have also to accept the responsibility of our actions and their consequences. It is for this reason that most advocates of liberty and freedom maintain that children must be placed in the care of the parents, right? So, and एक ही मिनट, एक ही मिनट, इंपॉर्टेंट कॉल है, जस्ट अ मोमेंट. Okay. We, you can say, lost a very good friend of ours, IRS officer, yesterday. So we are all very, very low yesterday, right? So please take care for COVID, okay, and don't unnecessarily go outside. Yeah. So we have now come to realize that freedom embodies our capacity and our ability to make choices. And when we make choices, we have to accept the responsibility of our actions and their consequences, right? So जब भी हम choice लेते हैं तो मैंने आपको वही बोला था कि we have to accept the responsibility of our actions and consequences. It is for this reason that most advocates of liberty and freedom maintain that children must be placed in the, you can say, care of parents, because till a age you will not be in a proper position to take the, you can say, choices. So till then you can be with your parents. Our capacity to make right choices, to access in a reasoned manner, right, available options, shoulder the responsibility of our actions, have to be built through proper education. मतलब आप डायरेक्टली चॉइसेस लेने के लिए फ्री नहीं हो भैया. चॉइसेस लेने के लिए आप कब फ्री हो जाते हो? जब आप एजुकेटेड होंगे, आप मेच्योर्ड होंगे, राइट, एंड देन यू विल हैव दैट कल्टीवेशन ऑफ अ जजमेंट, right, just as much as it needs to be nurtured by limiting the authority of the state and society, right? So it is a balance, right? It is a balance about taking the right judgment, taking the right call. आपके पास एक judgment है कि when you should take the, you can say, choices, at what age. It is a judgment, right? Because देखो, again, if you only depend upon the parents, then you can say you'll always blame them. But if you make the choice and you fail, you learn from that, you learn more, because you are more open, because it was more of your choice, right? So ये हमेशा याद रखो. Now assignments, we'll take down the assignments. कौन से हैं? So first, what is meant by freedom? Okay, ये वाला कर लो. ये तो important है, negative and positive consumption, right? Then what are the social, and fifth wala, ye wala kar lo. This four, you can say, this you can. Am I audible? Okay. Okay, so we end it here today. Let us meet tomorrow. I wanted to do 2 chapters, but I don't know, we discussed, I think, too much today, so we'll end it. I hope you are finding polity, you can say, much more interesting than society. Yes, are they interesting or are they boring? Okay, theek. So we end it here. Let us meet tomorrow. Please do your assignments very, very, you can say, purposefully, as if consider yourself as you are already officers, और आप पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट में ऑफिसर्स बन के ये सब आंसर्स लिख रहे हो, राइट? सो प्लीज, यू कैन से, कंसिडर इट लाइक दैट. क्वेश्चंस कौन से करने हैं टुडेज असाइनमेंट? यू कुड नॉट लिसन, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऑल द फाइव, सिमरन, सारे करने, 1 2 3 4 5, ये सारे करने हैं आपको. ओके, चलो, वी एंड इट हियर. बाय बाय एवरीवन, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. Consistency is the name of the game. Okay, bye bye all, see you tomorrow.